andizutsho ke uba undawuni qina uKennel ke undithembisile because ebesebenza i-day shift uthi akazutshayisa kwakule night shift because the case kaSisonke is treated as a high profile case, hence ku-appointwe i-Kennel. Aku-appointwanga i-constable or sergeant, ku-appointwe i-Kennel into yoba mayiyomkhangela. Apha khoyo it's out of jurisdiction yaseMthatha kodwa ayimisanga loo nto, bayomkhangela bona themselves, ba-aplayele into yoba bathini baye kule ndawo akuyo. So comrades, sihleli apha ne, we must rest assured into yoba ama-police are treating this with the seriousness it deserves. Kodwa ke comrades, asizuthi ngenxa yento yoba besixelele loo nto sizawuyeka. We are going to apply pressure. Sizawupressa apho kubuhlungu khona. Ithumba ke comrades ulipressa lide ligqabhuka. Xa seyibanjiwe, from there siyaphaya ecourt siyothi no bail. Comrades, I'm also told, but andifuni ukuthi into yoba nguKennel ngoba andifuni kurivila eli polisa belindixelela that ngoku investigatewa imoto phaya kubhaqiwe ikhoba lembumbulu, ezinye kamanye kamakhoba embumbulu uwathathile wawafihla. Abomthetho kabalapha bafunda umthetho bawungqinelana nami, but that's defeating the ends of justice. Obstruction of justice. Also nesikolo lento siyenzileyo into yoba siphike umntana sifuna ukudivethwe imeda leyenzekileyo yenziwe icolleague yabo is also treated as defeating the ends of justice. Comrades, I want to make this categorically clear, and if we take since nina kukhona bandirekhodayo, so that is ofika kuyi. I am highly and extremely disappointed in Ndiyakholwa, who is a staff member and I think is in management of Walter Sisulu University. Ndiyakholwa ndandifunda naye eseGuwa ndilapha ezamukulungisa. When Snethemba Majwabula was shot and killed ngase library, he was the first person to advocate for his justice. Today Ndiyakholwa takes podium, amuswa zii-cameras, uthi uSisonke ayiso student, a person comrades, a person that was a student activist, abe today ngenxa ebefumana isalary eyi-fat cat, aphike omnye umfundi ebulelwe, wasifumana isidanga yena, umntana abantu yena ubuyela kwabo ngecasket, uyamphika yena. I am ashamed to even say into yoba uNdiyakholwa ndiyamazi. All those that served with him, and ndifuna usitsho lo mbutho wakhe bazawo research, I hope they distance themselves from him because he has joined the thugs. Bafundi bambanani ngoba xa sinithume esikolweni siexpecte into yoba siyokikizela kwi-graduation yenu. Asiyilindelanga into yoba nizawubuya ngecasket, niphinde futhi niphikwe kwasesi sikolo. Comrades, here on my phone I have a proof of payment ye-registration fee esuka kumama kaSisonke. Comrades, and in this I circulate. Comrades, on the 12th of March, an amount of 5,000 was transferred to Walter Sisulu University, account number 477 0255. Comrades, comrades, it is not enough that they have killed one of your own, but bayampika. They are calling him a dishonest person. They are spitting on his, it's not even a grave, they are spitting on his lifeless body. All in the name of Uguti Bafuna, protector, not just the university, they are protecting a thug who carries an unlicensed firearm into the institution. Comrades, Unkoskas Kampafane has called the provincial commissioner, I'm told, and this is Malelipi police, but I can back it up, Kanbuzu, has called the provincial commissioner to say, arrest students, I was assaulted. Comrades, Amanda! Comrades, you are on your own. Comrades, you are on your own. You have nobody but each other. The day you politicize this cause is the day Ifayo Lendo Nizamai. Comrades, Nati in the community, we will not rest. We will mobilize all the structures that are there. We will mobilize traditional leaders. We have already spoken to the king right outside. Everyone will be on the streets. If the court dares give that guy bail, underground. Manda.